Be blessed by the divine. Today we will discuss about the diabetic facts of India and some of the lifestyle modification methods for controlling the blood sugar level. In the previous video we discussed about the design of pancreas. When you didn't see that video means please click the description. I will provide the link. I want you to see that video and get the awesome design of pancreas. Before proceeding the lifestyle modification methods, let us recollect the function of alpha, beta and delta cells of pancreas. Whatever the food we eat, that is converted into glucose. After that, blood glucose level elevated. Then beta cells stimulate the insulin to regulate the blood sugar level. When we modify our diet with low carb or plant-based, then we may protect the beta cells of pancreas. Alpha cells. When we skip the diet or when we undergo fasting means alpha cells activated. The excess fat stored in the liver converted to glucose by the glucagon hormone. Delta cells. When we properly sleep, that is more than 7 to 9 hours means delta cells activated which regulate all the metabolic activities. Then the blood sugar level are properly maintained and controlled. Diabetes occurs either when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, that is insulin dependent type 1 diabetes, or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces due to the insulin resistance, that's called the type 2 diabetes. So why we have to know all this? So when we present to the type 1 diabetic patient's complication, then we know the awesomeness of the pancreas we have. As per 2016 statistics, the number of people with diabetic is 26 million in 1990 and it is increased to 65 million in 2016. The prevalence of overweight in adult is increased from 9% to 20%. So the important risk factor of India is overweight because the people with obese or become pre-diabetic. Due to elevated blood sugar level, overweight adult become diabetic patient. As per the report, in 1990, 9% of the people is overweight adult. From that, 5% are prevalence to the diabetic. But in the 2016, it is increased. 20% is overweight adult. From the 20%, 7% of people are diabetic. For every 100 overweight adult, 38 people become diabetic patient. This prevalence of diabetic was highest in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Delhi, followed by Punjab, Goa and Karnataka. The prevalence is increased at every state of the country at 2016. Here, the important risk factor is overweight. Due to overweight, people become diabetic. So when we properly maintain our blood sugar level, through some lifestyle modification, we may prevent or avoid the diabetic and its complications. By adopting certain lifestyle modification, we may avoid the diabetic complication. The first method is food. We are what we eat. The amount of food, the quantity of the food, quality of the food, type of food we eat plays a major role in controlling the blood sugar level. Here overnutrition and undernutrition also problems. So we need balanced diet. Certain foods have medicinal value. Along with medication, when diabetic patient make one small change in diet that leads to control the blood sugar level. In previous video itself we saw that whatever we eat that converted into glucose. The excess amount of carbohydrate is also converted into fat. The later it converted to glucose. Okay, so the increased level of blood sugar level is due to carbohydrate. So low carb, high protein diet is needed. Plant-based diet support our immune system and also reduce the inflammation. By following plant-based diets, we may lose our weight. So overweight is the major problem of people nowadays. Due to overweight, people become diabetic. So by following plant-based diet, we may reduce the risk of heart attack, stroke, as well as cancer. So it can be used as a preventive medicine. People with diabetics should do 30 minutes exercise, 30 minutes walk every day, to control the blood sugar level. The next lifestyle modification is sleep. Sleep plays major role in our physical health. It heal and repair our heart and blood vessels. Sleep reduces stress, sleep reduces inflammation. It also help in weight reduction. We need 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Ongoing sleep deficiency leads to diabetic, heart attack and stroke. To avoid diabetic complications, we have to monitor the blood sugar level then and there. There are 5 tests available. First one is fasting blood sugar. It is done at early morning, 2 hours before taking the food. The normal range is 70 to 110 milligram. When the test result exceeds this limit means we have to control the blood sugar level. Then second one is BBS, postprandial blood sugar. It is done at 2 hours after taking food. Random glucose tests can be taken at any time. The normal value is 70 to 140 milligram. Glucometer is used for testing. It is a simple method for testing the blood sugar level. We can test at home or clinic. Okay, the 3 methods FBS, BBS and HbA1c should be done in the clinical only. It produces accurate value. The last test is urine glucose test. Blood glucose oscillation occurs throughout the day. Blood glucose fluctuation occur at the same time on different days. So average glucose values measured as glycated hemoglobin. It measures average blood sugar over the past 2 to 3 months. HbA1c is the reference parameter for reducing the risk of complications. This value below 5% is normal, 5 to 6 pre-diabetic, 6.5 and above diabetic. Next video we will discuss about heart attack, one of the high risk of diabetes. We will see the heart attack symptoms and what are the preventive measures for saving the life of diabetic patient from the heart attack. Valga Valamudan.